Is your VW Jetta Apple CarPlay acting up or refusing to connect? Let's walk through the steps to get your infotainment back to normal. Statistics show that 80% of infotainment connection issues are caused by minor handshake errors between the phone and the vehicle. Before you visit the dealer, we need to isolate whether the culprit is your cable, your phone, or the Jetta's head unit. Start by swapping your cable for a certified original, then clear the Bluetooth and CarPlay profiles from both ends before performing a hard head unit restart. Check these three software settings, as a disabled Siri or a restricted USB port will often block the connection entirely. If software updates don't help, inspect your phone's charging port for lint and check the vehicle's console port for physical damage. Most issues are solved with a simple reset of the connection, but if the unit remains unresponsive, it may indicate a deeper wiring or module fault. The price difference here is stark, ranging from $20 for a cable to hundreds for a full module replacement at the shop. If you have an OBD11 tool, scan for communication errors and check your interior fuses before heading to the dealer for a firmware flash. Keep these items in your glove box to troubleshoot connectivity issues on the go and save yourself a trip to the service department. Remember, the simplest solution is usually the right one, so always rule out your cable before blamming the car's electronics. Thanks for watching. If your CarPlay is still misbehaving, let us know the year of your Jetta in the comments below.